morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I am building a powder coating booth. I picked up all my materials from Home Depot. I'm right now at $209. I'd say if you're gonna do this, I'd wait until this lumber crisis kind of goes down, because I paid almost $8 a 2x4, and I bought 15 of them. I don't know if I'll need that. I kind of just winged it with a number of 15 to do the 3 sides and then the ceiling on that. And then I also bought some of this, it's paneling. It's for like a utility area. It's real smooth and it's kind of coated with a white plastic. Let me show you that real quick. So I bought 4 of those, the 3 sides, and then the ceiling. And then I'm also going to cut a piece for the floor. That way what doesn't get caught in the filters will be easily swept up and vacuumed up. I'm going to show you the process, and I'm doing a standard 4x4 by 7 foot tall. And then I'm going to put caster wheels on it so I can move it around, and that way I can also stick the booth up against the wall and then shove my oven inside of it. So, because I am limited to space, I'm just doing this in a, well, it's a little bigger than a standard size garage, but anyways, a standard 2-car garage, just a little oversized. Alright, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build the channel. Just started out the channel. I'll be doing a lot of powder coating. I just got my floors all, I replaced all the floors in the Falcon, and my other video showed me doing the bed liner on it. I painted the bottom side of it, and next I'm going to be powder coating all my U-bolts and the plates for the springs, and then my traction bars, powder coating those, and then I'm going to be rebuilding the rear end on that. I'm going to be putting a 355 posi in it. Anyways, stay tuned, and we'll get this video moving right along. So here I'm cutting my top and bottom plates. I'm cutting them at 4 foot. Basically building this so I'm getting the most out of my lumber. You know, you pay for it, you might as well use as much of it as you can. Now I'm working on the studs of the wall. For my sidewalls, I am just doing 3 studs. Because this paneling is really light, so it will it doesn't require much. I'm building it, my studs are 7 foot tall, and then I'll have the top and bottom plate, so there'll be another 3 inches. And then basically I got little casters that's going to go on the bottom of that, so it should be right at 7'6" height wise. Well, plus also after that I'm going to have the ceiling on that, so that will be another 3.5 inches tall. So it's getting close to 8 foot. Now I got one of my sidewalls laid out here, and fixing to nail it together. I'm gonna use a framing nailer. I tell you, if you don't have one of these, boy, they're worth the money. They make quick work out of putting something like this together. So on this, it's always good to start off on your corners and then work your way to one side. That way you can pull everything nice and square as you go along. There you go. One side wall laid out and done. 4x7. Fixing to sheet it real quick. And let's get that moving. Now on this, I am going to be using my roofing nailer. Nice thing about a roofing nailer on this stuff, it's real light, and these nails have a big head on them, so they'll hold this material really well. I like to start on one corner. That way I can sit there and hold things tight. See what I mean? They got a nice size nail to them, and it'll hold it nice and tight. Just need to clean up some of those oil spots from where the gun was and cut the top off. There's 1 foot left there at the top, and run a couple more nails at the bottom and at the top. So this will be the two sides. You would be doing 2 of these, and then the center section would be a little different. So I wanted to explain this back wall. What I did was basically make the center spot up there on the header and the bottom board, and then I marked the center of the fan. Basically put that there and sandwiched the 2 boards up against that. and then nailed them. So that way I can sit there and I'm gonna leave it that way until I get the 2 fans in, and sit there and mount those in, and obviously mark my spot where I'm gonna be putting the 2 fans and filters. Okay, so as you can see, I got the top side nailed together. I got some 1x4s. No, I can't do that because I want to be able to roll my oven in there at the bottom. So it's just probably gonna have to be a little sprung out like that. Anyways, what I might do is when I got it on its side to sit there and do the wheels, put a 2x4 in the corners to square it up a little bit more and try to get it to where it looks a little straighter. Obviously you can see that the sides are going to need to be caulked with silicone, but as you can see, this stuff is totally smooth except for where the nails are. But hey, it's better than painting everything and getting it, you know, looking good that way. Alrighty, let's keep on moving. So here I'm going to be measuring the piece for the top. Obviously, it needs to be about 49.5 inches long. What we're going to do is we're going to put it in there, we're going to pull it tight, and then we're going to run a board, a 2x4 across the top, and then nail it up on the underside of that to get it straight. All right, for today, this is where I'm finishing up at. So I got sealing in. I trimmed it in up at the top. Number one, it covered up my shortness on this one side. I still have to caulk everything. I need to buy the fans and of course the filters and get that all set up. So this is just the first part of that. I got it on casters, so I can push it around. And again, I'm gonna park it over here where my stove is so I can back my stove into it when I'm not using the system. That way it limits my floor space that it's all taken up. That way I can wheel it on out when I'm ready to powder coat, turn the fans around to where they're facing outside. All right, everyone. I just wanted to give you a heads up on how it finished up. I kind of got a little ahead of myself and went ahead and mounted the fans and finished it up. So I just wanted to kind of show it to you real quick. This thing's real easy from where I finished it up to where we are now. So on here, I got the fans running, so excuse that. All I did was sit there and cut the square out where the fan was, and then just mounted my little 1x3s around it to frame out the filter. I got those fans at Dollar General for 20 bucks each, so not a bad deal there. And then I picked up these filters from Home Depot for $3. Same with down here on this one. I just went ahead and mounted that 1x4 around the top, frame it out, and then I'm getting ready to do my first powder coating. I got the other piece down just as a floor covering. I mounted a light up on top. Just went and bought a cheap outdoor fixture, $13 at Home Depot. I had the wire, so luckily I just ran that up and over here to my outlet and light switch. And then I just put the fans back on a multiple outlet with a little breaker in it. You know, still have to get the plug, so don't hold that against me. You need to pick that up at Lowe's, but I know not the safest way to do that, but it works for right now. Again, thank you for watching, and staying tuned to the project here. I'm gonna do a quick video here on my first powder coating. I got my oven set up out here, and I just need to sit here and do some more sandblasting, and then I'm gonna off gas them, and then I'm gonna try out the Harbor Freight powder coating gun. Well, please like and subscribe, comment. Love to hear what y'all have to say about my powder coating booth and my oven, and any questions, be happy to answer them as best I can. Like I said, I'm no professional. I'm just having fun and trying to do my own powder coating at home on my small parts, and go from there. Thanks again.